guess I don't agree that I did anything wrong other than to listen to people who ended up being liars.
The entire 50-some minutes of this is public. It's been out there for a long time. The fraudsters literally go through step by step how they do it, who's involved. At the very beginning of the tape, they spell their names. It should be no surprise. And they go through and talk about specifically the program that was being defrauded. And then you said, hey, tell me more about that. And they tell you in long explanation exactly how they basically perpetrated the fraud without saying they were fraudsters. So I would push back on your statement that you didn't know that they were talking about MDE. In your very own press release from your agency, from the Attorney General's office, dated September 26th of 2022, the very first line says, Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison and his office have been deeply involved for 2 years, holding Feeding Our Future accountable. And yet you're saying a year later that you weren't aware of Feeding Our Future. And also I would say in the tape, it says multiple times Feeding Our Future. It talks about Safari Restaurant multiple times. In fact, there's one part in the tape that you said, oh, Safari Restaurant. I know you by your restaurant. That's what it says. That's what you said in the tape. If we had time to play the whole 50-some minutes, it would refute a lot of what you're saying.